In this tutorial, I will show you how to reverse a video using Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and select Video to open a video workspace. Next, upload the video you want to reverse. Go to the Upload section on the left side, click Upload Files and select your video from your device. After the video uploads, drag it onto the canvas so it appears on the timeline. Now, select the video clip by clicking on it. Then go to the Apps section in the left menu. In the search bar inside Apps, type Video Reverser and open the tool. With your video selected, apply the reverse option in the Video Reverser tool. Canva will process the clip and reverse the playback direction. This may take a few moments depending on the size of your video. Once the process is complete, preview the video to make sure it now plays backward. You can continue editing your project by adding text, music, or other effects if needed. When your reversed video is ready, click Share and then Download. Choose MP4 video to export your final reversed video from Canva.